Hey, this is Deepak here from digitaldeepak.com, and excellent response for my past two videos that I put up on my YouTube channel. Plenty of likes, plenty of views, plenty of comments, and today I'm making the next video. Sorry if it is a little bit noisy here because there is a national highway out there. But it's a very pleasant weather and full of greenery here, so I thought this would be a good place to make the video. And my today's message is basically about boredom in business, right? And in my 10 years of experience working in startups and doing my own projects in business, what I have discovered is that whenever you start something new, there is always an excitement, and the excitement is same like going for a vacation, or eating junk food, or doing something like that. And a lot of times people end up chasing this excitement, and people end up celebrating starting something new. And starting something new is always exciting. People start something new, but they don't stick to it. And if you want to make a business succeed, then you need to do a lot of boring tasks day in and day out with discipline. And it is just like going to the gym and building your body, right? When you go ahead and sign up for a new gym membership, it feels exciting, but you need to go to the gym day in and day out, and walking on the treadmill, doing cycling, lifting weights, sometimes can be boring. Going to the gym itself can be boring. Like, imagine going to the gym for the 30th day, 60th day, 100th day. It's going to be extremely boring. And the results are not going to be overnight. It's not going to be like one day you get an exam result. It's not like you go to the gym for like 100 days and on the next day you suddenly have six packs. It's not going to happen like that. The excitement is not going to be on a single day. Slowly you will build up your body, you will start feeling better, but the entire excitement is kind of spread over several days or several weeks or several months, sometimes several years. And that's how it is in business. When you start a new project, there is an excitement, but the results will start coming in slowly, and you will start feeling better about the results that you are getting, but it won't be like an overnight excitement. Like, for example, right now I might get a little bit excited when I reach 1 lakh subscribers and get a silver YouTube play button, but it's not going to change anything, right? I probably have more enjoyment in doing videos like this, and doing videos like this consistently, adding a lot of value, is what is building the subscribers in the first place. And when you look at it, a lot of people end up celebrating when they start something new, right? People start a new business and they do an inauguration function. They invite all the people. They do puja. I mean, it's good to have a good auspicious beginning to things, but there is nothing to celebrate there. And more often than not, people who celebrate starting businesses, I have seen those businesses fail, unfortunately. So whenever you are trying to start something new or do something new in your business, and if it feels exciting, then you need to be kind of thinking twice about it, and you need to be thinking whether this is really necessary. Just like fasting and eating healthy is a very boring task, but in the long term it will build your health. And ordering a pizza, ordering a burger and having it feels very exciting in the short term, but it is going to destroy your health in the long term. So similarly, when you do something in your business, when you are trying to do something new, then it will feel exciting, but be careful of that excitement, because that excitement might be the very indication that you are in the wrong path. And this is a mistake that I have done a lot of times. I wanted to start a tech blog. I bought a premium domain name for it. I wanted to start a health blog. I bought a premium domain name for it. Whenever there is a prospect of wanting to start something new, there is a huge amount of excitement, but the excitement is short-lived. The excitement is not what is going to get things done for you. And when you have to get things done, it will feel boring. So my message for today is that do the boring tasks in your life over and over again, and that is what will give you long-term happiness, satisfaction, achievement, success. Everything is in boredom. Waking up early every day is boring. Fasting one day in a week is boring. Probably writing articles every day, let's say writing 500 words every day consistently to eventually write a book, is boring. And If you keep doing this consistently, over time it will compound. And stock market, right? Stock market, intraday trading is exciting, but most people lose money in intraday trading. Long-term investing is boring, but that's what creates wealth. So that is the secret of life. That is the secret of success, happiness, wealth, health, everything is to do the boring tasks over and over again, and then your life will be sorted. So chase the boredom, don't chase the excitement. So that's my message for today. I hope you liked it. Go ahead, leave a comment below about what you think, and also hit the like button, and definitely subscribe and click the notification bell icon as well. Just like all the YouTubers say, I'm also learning the skill. So that's about it, and bye bye. I will see you in the next video.